Yeah, hello students. This is the 10th part of compound angles in trigonometry. Today also I am going to explain some problems based on the concept of compound angles. This is first problem, today's first problem. Cos A equal to n cos B, sin A equal to m sin B. From this you want to show that m square minus n square into sin square B equal to 1 minus n square. Students, observe Nana, cos A cos B relation is given, sin A sin B relation is given, but we want only sin square B. From these two relations we want to make sin square B as a subject, that is our target. Okay, step 1, cos A equal to n cos B. So I want only sin square B I want here. Squaring another side, cos square A equal to n square into cos square B, or 1 minus sin square A equal to n square times of 1 minus sin square B. This is result number 1. If you know the value of sin square A in terms of sin square B, I can substitute here. I will write here, students listen. Second thing is sin A equal to m sin B, or sin square A equal to m square sin square B. This is taken as second result. So now I want substitute second in first. 1 minus sin square A means I can write m square sin square B equal to n square minus n square sin square B. Okay. Now, student, do one thing, transfer these terms to right hand side and this is to left hand side. No. We want to take sin square B common, no need to convert. Just do one thing, just convert this term to left hand side and the 1 should be transferred to right hand side. So what happened, I will write n square sin square B minus m square sin square B equal to n square minus 1. Sin square B taken common, n square minus m square equal to n square minus 1, or sin square B equal to, I want to write reverse no, because here reverse is there, no, that's a 1 minus n square by m square minus n square you can write. Okay, I think this only you want, I want to rearrange here only. Yeah, so what I can write, this gives m square minus n square into sin square B equal to 1 minus n square. Hence proved. Okay, this is the required result. Yeah, our next problem, in an angle alpha is divided into two parts A and B. Alpha is divided into two parts A and B means what the meaning of that? A plus B equal to alpha, that is first thing, such that A minus B equal to x. Okay, I will write given data, given that A plus B equal to alpha, A minus B equal to x. Okay, also given what is that, tan A by tan B equal to k by 1. But the answer, something you want to prove, Nana, the result is in terms of sin only, means that we want to convert this total in terms of sin. Sin A by cos A into what I can write, cos B by sin B, direct step none, or I can write clearly, okay, no problem, by sin B by cos B equal to k by 1. Okay, here only I will write. Yeah, listen students, So what happened? This is sin A into cos A by cos A. This fraction becomes reverse. Cos B by sin B equal to k by 1. Just I am multiplying 2 nana. 2 sin A cos B by 2 cos A sin B equal to k by 1. Actually numerator is in the form of sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. Sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B, 2 sin A cos B. Denominator is sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. That is k by 1. So what I can write? Sin alpha plus sin x by sin alpha minus sin x equal to k. From this you want to make the relationship between sin x and sin alpha only. So sin alpha plus sin x equal to k into sin alpha minus k into sin x. Okay students. So yeah, sin x plus k sin x equal to k sin alpha minus sin alpha. Sin x is taken come here 1 plus k. Here sin alpha taken common k minus 1 into sin alpha. What do you want? Sin x equal to, okay, sin x equal to k minus 1 by k plus 1 into sin alpha. I think that only you want. K minus 1, k, okay. Completed. Just a plus b alpha, a minus b x. This is simplified, just I all convert in terms of sines and causes. After that I used the formula which are given in compound angles concept. Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b equal to 2 sin a cos b. Sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b equal to 2 cos a cos b. Okay, just I simplify. Yeah, our next problem, important model. Cos a plus cos b plus cos c equal to 0 and sin a plus sin b plus sin c equal to 0. Then we want to show that cos of a minus b equal to minus 3 by 2. Sigma of cos of a minus b equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay, actually sigma of cos of a minus b, what is the meaning of that? Cos of a minus b plus cos of b minus c plus cos of c minus c. We want to prove that the summation equal to 3 minus 3 by 2. Okay. Students listen, Nana. So first of all I want to find the value of cos of a minus b. First we need to find cos of a minus. After that I will find cos of b minus a, cos of a minus a separately. So my target is to find the value of a minus b. I don't want c, Nana. I don't want c. From this equation I will eliminate c, angle c. Or you want cos of a minus c for example. So we should eliminate b from these two equations. Okay, I will show you how to eliminate that. Okay, sorry, here cos c equal to minus times of cos a plus cos b. Sin c equal to minus times of sin a plus sin b. So this is 1, this is 2. Cos square c plus sin square c, 1 only, no, I don't want c, I want element c. That's what I am doing. 1 square plus 2 square. That implies 1 square means cos square x, cos square c plus sin square c is equal to minus x whole square means x square only, no problem. What I can write? Cos a plus cos b whole square plus sin a plus sin b whole square. Okay, now I want to simplify this. This cos square c plus sin square c 1 equal to a plus b whole square. I want to split that nana. Cos square a plus cos square b plus 2 cos a cos b, 2 cos a cos b plus sin square a plus sin square b plus 2 sin a sin b. Okay students, 1 equal to, listen Anna, cos square a plus sin square a 1 plus cos square b plus sin square b another 1 plus 2 taken common from this cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Okay Nana, here I can cancel 1, so what I will get I will write, so cos of a minus b equal to minus half. Observe Nana here. So 1 is transferred to left hand side, after that divided through by 2. This is the formula of cos of a minus b only. So finally cos of a minus b equal to half. Okay, similarly I will write, similarly cos of b minus c also will get minus half only. Similar manner, na? So what I did here, cos c made as subject and second equation sin c made as subject. If you make cos b as a subject, what do you want here? Yeah, bc. Bc means a. Cos a as a made a subject and sin a as made a subject. From that, what you will get, nana? Cos of b minus equal to minus half. So next cos of a minus b c minus a. That also another minus half you will get. Add these three. Okay. Cos of a minus b plus cos of b minus c plus cos of c minus a equal to minus half minus half minus half. This is actually sigma cos of a minus b equal to minus 3 by 2. Hence proved. Okay Nana. So I proved now. Yeah, next question, fourth question. Alpha, beta, gamma are acute angles and alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to pi by 2 and cot alpha, cot beta, cot gamma are in AP. Then show that cot alpha into cot gamma equal to 3. Okay. Listen Nana. Cot of A alpha plus beta plus gamma formula. What is that? Sigma cot A minus pi cot A by 1 minus sigma cot A into cot B. Actually A means here alpha, no? So I want to write alpha only instead of A. Alpha I will write. Okay students. So here alpha, here also alpha, alpha, beta I can write. Cot beta. Okay. Cot of pi by 2 equal to sigma cot alpha minus pi cot alpha by 1 minus sigma cot alpha into cot beta. Actually cot pi by 2 0 nana. 0 equal to sigma cot alpha minus pi cot alpha by 1 minus sigma cot alpha into cot beta. So 0 equal to this numerator must be 0. So what I get? Sigma cot alpha minus pi cot alpha equal to 0. Therefore cot alpha plus cot beta plus cot gamma equal to cot alpha into cot beta into cot gamma. This is result number 1. Given cot alpha comma cot beta comma cot gamma are in AP. If A comma B comma are arithmetic progression, 2 times of B equal to A plus C, 2 times of cot beta equal to cot alpha plus cot beta, cot gamma. Yeah, this is result number 2. Now substitute 2 in 1. So instead of this cot alpha, cot gamma, I can write 2 cot beta plus 2 cot beta equal to cot alpha into cot beta into cot gamma. So what you will get, I will write here, 3 cot beta equal to cot alpha into cot beta into cot gamma. So what is clearly given here? Alpha, beta, gamma are acutes. So cot beta never 0, cot gamma also, cot alpha also. That's why cot beta get cancelled. 3 equal to cot alpha into cot gamma. I think this only you want. This is the required result. 3 equal to cot alpha into cot gamma. See, 3 equal to cot alpha into cot gamma. Yeah. Next problem, students. Alpha, beta are acutes. Tan alpha, tan beta are the roots of this equation. Tan alpha comma tan beta are the roots of 2 tan square theta minus 35 tan theta plus 2 equal to 0. Clearly explained, if P comma Q are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, sum of the roots P plus Q equal to minus b by a, and product of the roots P into Q equal to c by a from the concept of quadratic equations. Okay. So what I can write here, Nana? Sum of the roots tan alpha plus tan beta equal to minus b by a, minus 35 by a means 2. That is equal to 35 by 2. Okay. Next, tan alpha into tan beta c by a 2 by 2, that equal to 1. Now what I want to prove, alpha plus beta equal to pi by 2. Okay. Alpha plus beta equal to pi by 2, or it is enough to prove the tan of alpha plus beta not defined. Tan of alpha plus beta not defined means alpha plus beta is odd multiple of pi by 2. Then one of the values pi by 2, I can say like that. Okay. I want to find tan of alpha plus beta. Tan alpha tan beta, that is 35 by 2 by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta, 1 0. What is the meaning of that? That is tan of alpha plus beta is not defined. (35 by 2 by 0, no? Something by 0, not defined. Means alpha plus beta must should have the form 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. N belongs to Z. One of the alpha plus beta I can say pi by 2. Proved. Next, sixth problem, same nana. Sin x comma cos x are the roots of t square minus pt plus q equal to 0. Sum of the roots sin x plus cos x equal to minus half minus p by 1, that equal to p. Product of the roots sin x into cos x equal to q by 1 q. Now we want to find the value of sin cube x plus cos cube x. Okay, just like I will write here a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube equal to a plus b of a square minus ab plus b square. I will write neatly, Nana. Okay. A cube plus b cube is nothing but a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab only. This is the form of a cube plus b cube. Feel that sin x as a and cos x as b. A plus b given and ab given, you want to find a cube plus b cube. Means all you need to convert in terms of a plus b's and a into b's. So a plus b okay, ab okay, but a square plus b square I don't like. That's why that also written as again a square plus b square, a plus b whole square minus 2ab only, minus ab. No, a square plus b square, no, a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So this is a plus b into a plus b square minus 3ab. So finally what I got, I will write a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a plus b whole square minus 3ab. What I can say, sin cube x plus cos cube x equal to sin x plus cos x into sin x plus cos x whole square minus 3 sin x into cos x. Okay, now what I can say, this is, where is that? One is p, another q, direct. P into p square minus 3q. Okay, so I think that only required, now p cube into 3pq. Okay, p cube into 3pq. Now multiplication p cube minus 3pq, which is the required result. Therefore sin cube x plus cos cube x equal to pq minus 3pq. Okay. Yeah, our next question, a plus b plus c equal to pi, comma, cos a equal to cos b cos c. From this you want to show that 2 cot b cot c equal to 1. Observe students, in the required result only cot b, bc is there, bc is there, not a, not there, angle a not there. Means that here you need to eliminate angle a. So cos, instead of a I can write pi minus of b plus c equal to cos b into cos c. Okay, cos of 180 minus theta minus cos theta minus cos of b plus c equal to cos b cos c. So minus times of cos b cos c minus sin a, sin a not there, no, here b only, I will write that, sin b sin c, okay, equal to cos b cos c minus cos b cos c plus sin b sin c equal to cos b cos c. Okay, sure. So sin b sin c equal, transfer that side, we get 2 times, 2 into cos b into cos c. Okay, so 1 equal to 2 cos b cos c by sin b sin c. I divide throughout by sin b sin c. So what happened, Anna? 1 equal to 2 into cos b by sin b means cot b into cos c by sin c means cot c. So this is the one of the required results. Okay, proved. Next, eighth problem, student. A plus B plus C in triangle A plus B C is obtuse. Interesting. Any triangle, only one obtuse angle exists. In a triangle, if one is angle is obtuse, means remaining two are acute angles. That is important thing, student, here. C is obtuse. Implies A comma C are acute angles. That is 0 less than A less than pi by 2, comma 0 less than B less than pi by 2. Okay. So I will write here, students, listen. 0 less than A less than pi by 2, 0 less than B less than pi by 2. You know that you can add inequalities, but you can't subtract none. You can add inequalities, you can add 0 less than A plus B less than pi. So what I can say, this implies A plus B belongs to open 0 to open pi. That is one thing. We can't subtract inequality. That is very, very, very important thing, students. We can add 0 less than B less than pi by 2. I want multiply minus another side. Inequality will alter. Minus 0 less, greater than minus B greater than minus pi by 2. Or in other words, I can say that minus pi by 2 less than minus B less than 0. Okay. Yeah. Now 0 less than A less than pi by 2. Add these two now. 0 plus minus pi by 2 minus pi by 2 less than A minus B less than pi by 2. So what is the meaning of that? A minus B lies between open minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay. Yeah, listen. So A plus B means in Q1 or Q2. A plus B belongs to Q1 or Q2. Quadrant 1 or quadrant 2. And A minus B belongs to either Q1 or Q4. So this is 0 to 90 in clockwise direction, anti-clockwise direction. This angle is said to be 0 to minus pi by 2. So 0 to minus pi by 2 minus pi by 2 means this total angle. That is first and fourth quadrant. Okay. Now I want to write Nana. What is given? Sin of A plus B equal to root 3 by 2. So directly sin of A plus root 3 by 2, can't say that A plus B equal to 60 degree. Okay, it may be 180 minus 60 also. Okay, what I can say here? Okay, A plus B equal to 60 or 180 minus 60, that is 120. Okay, next, cos of A minus B equal to 1 by root 2. Means A minus B is in first quadrant, that is 45 degree, or minus 45 degree also can write. Okay, so what do you want? A angle you want, A, just A. So A minus B is taken as 60, A plus B is taken as 60 and A minus B is taken as 45. Their addition, 2A equal to 105, A equal to 52.5 degree. So that only requirement. I proved that A equal to 52.5 degree. Similarly, A minus B is taken as 120 and A plus B is taken as 120, A minus B is taken as 45, you get another A value, and A plus B taken as 60 and A minus B taken 45, get another A value. A plus B equal 120 and A minus B taken minus 45, get another A value. Okay. Yeah. Next, 9th question, student. In triangle ABC, cos A, cos B, cos C equal 1 by 3. Then find the value of tan A, tan A into tan A, tan A, tan B plus tan B, tan C plus tan C, tan A. Important thing is in a triangle ABC. That is interesting here. Okay. Tan A into tan B. Just I will write sigma for that. This value want. Okay. So what I can write sigma sin A by cos A into sin B by cos B. I will write total, no problem. I won't write total. Plus what will get after that? Sin B by cos B into sin C by cos C plus sin C by cos C into sin A by cos C. I want to take cos A, cos B, cos C common for LCM. Cos A into cos B into cos C is taken as LCM. What will get? I will write here sin A into sin B into cos C plus cos A into sin B into sin C plus okay Nana. So what happened? Sin A into cos B into sin C. So that is actually sigma sin A what is which is best. I want to write this is best. Okay, I will write this is the best one. That is sigma cos A into sin B into sin C by cos A, cos B, cos C. I want to take this result 1, that's value of result 1 only, record 1. Okay. So in a triangle ABC, I will write that. Given that A plus B plus C equal to pi. Okay. So cos of A plus B plus C formula what Nana? Pi cos A minus sigma cos A into sin A sin B, sin B sin C. Okay, cos of pi equal to pi cos A minus sigma cos A into sin B into sin C. This is minus 1 equal to pi cos A minus sigma cos A into sin B into sin C. What I want? This one I want. So sigma cos A into sin B into sin C equal to pi cos A plus 1. Okay. Yeah. So this is equal to pi cos A means what Nana? Cos A, cos B, cos C plus 1. Already given cos A plus cos B plus cos C value 1 by 3. So I want to write 1 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4 by 3. So what I got? Sigma cos A into sin B into sin C value as 4 by 3. Say this is say result 1, result 2. But what do you want? You want the value of result 1. Now I will write 1 here, students. 1 means what Nana? Sigma cos A sin B sin C by cos A cos B cos C. So already that is 4 by 3. Already this is 1 by 3. 3 get cancelled. What will get Nana? 4. Therefore tan A into tan B plus tan B into tan C plus tan C into tan A in a triangle with condition that is cos A into cos B into cos A 1 by 3 is equal to 4.